Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel! This week we bring you an activity that we love, and with which you can make the designs that you like. Today we make homemade stickers with a Gato rainbow and a Gato moon. Here we go. To make them we only need baking paper, thick tape, a sheet of paper, and some colored markers. Let's get started. The first design we will make will be Gato rainbow, of course. I will put it on my phone so that I can trace it and we have the perfect proportions. But as I always say, if you already know how to draw well, you can do it directly on the paper. By the way, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, don't forget to do it. We upload a lot of videos with activities in Spanish and in English. When we have the outline done, let's start coloring. In my case, when making Gato rainbow, as you can see, I have to use a lot of colors, because its tail is like a rainbow. But I'm sure our sticker will look great precisely because of that. It will be very colorful. Once we have the body and the tail colored, let's go over the outline with a black marker. Perfect. Now we make the eyes, the nose, and the mouth. Ready. And now it's time to cut it out. We're going to do this very carefully, and in my case I wanted to cut it very close to the edge of the drawing. But you can leave a white margin if you like it better. Now we're going to prepare the base of our sticker. On a square of baking paper, I'm putting some thick tape. And here you can use also thin tape, but with this one it will look better. Now we can put the image we've made on top, and on top of that we're going to cover it again with more thick tape. Making sure there are no air bubbles. When we have that, we're going to cut it out, and this time we have to leave a small margin outside of the drawing, otherwise it will peel off completely. That's it! Look how well our Gato rainbow sticker has turned out! We like it very much. But now we feel the need to make many more stickers. It was very easy. So here I'm making Gato moon with the same technique we used for Gato rainbow. First I drew her, then I colored her completely, the body, and the tail. And finally we went over the outline with a black marker. When we had it, I cut it around the edge, and I put it on a baking paper with a little bit of tape and another layer of tape on top. We cut it with a little margin and we have it! So cool! And before we show you the other designs that we've created, we quickly tell you that we have a lot of educational resources on our website. We shared this winter Sudoku perfect for these days. We'll leave the link in the description of this video. We hope you have a lot of fun with it. Let's continue. We're going to make a couple more designs because we love this way of making stickers. Here we made a bee, and a beautiful flower. What would you draw on your stickers? Let us know in the comments, we read you! We do the same process again, and now we have a lot of super fun and original stickers. To use them, just peel off the paper carefully from the back and stick them wherever you want. We've used them to decorate the computer we used to make Gato rainbow and Gato moon's videos. So whenever we work with it, we will see their little faces. What do you think? Where will you put your stickers? And as every week, it's time for the round of greetings. This week we send a very special greeting to Lydia and another very special greeting to Eva. Thank you very much for watching our videos. We hope you liked it a lot. Don't forget to subscribe and remember that this same video is also available in Spanish on our channel. See you soon!